Welcome to another tutorial on how to assemble the AQF float using our different size pumps. We've got our 3000, we've got our size here which is our 5000 to our 8000. We have this size here which is our 10,000 to our 12.5, and then of course our big dog, the 15,000. Now essentially what we need to do to make these connect to the float is get to this size, the hub size right here. So when you're using the 15,000, it's simple. You just screw it right on there, and then this will go into the flange, which will connect into the float. When you go down to a smaller size, it requires more of your PVC pieces. So when you go to the 10 to the 12.5, you're going to use the one piece. This will screw in there, then this will connect to your hub, and then the flange, and go into the float. When you get down to the next size, which is our 5 to our 8, it's only going to require a couple different pieces here and there, and it'll get you to your hub size as well. For our smallest one, it's going to require all 4 pieces plus the hub. So you're going to screw these together, screw these two together. Essentially that will all look like that. That will get you connected there, and then that will connect you to your hub. And then that will hang down and get your AQF up and running. For further information, reach out to us. Thanks.